To install a theme using the theme uploader, appearance theme, and you have this page. Then click on upload theme or this plus sign, and then you can have this page where you have all the themes that are available on WordPress repository. Now you also can look at the latest themes on the repository as well, but that is not what we're doing today. This is a theme on the demo page that we're going to be installing today. This is not on our website, it's on the demo website. It's called Novo Photography Portfolio theme. Okay, so basically let's go back. We're going to upload it. Since it's not available on the WordPress repository, it is a premium theme. I can get that from theme forest. So basically upload and then you activate. Once you activate, now when you load this page, you can see that the page has turned black. That is to tell you that a new theme has been activated on the website, no longer the 2023 theme. Okay, so what do you do the next? Usually you go ahead and install all the required plugins, but no, this theme actually has a word installation wizard. So basically click on the wizard and then it helps you install all the plugins that are required by this theme. You wait a few seconds and all these themes are installed successfully. You go ahead and then yeah, now you have this theme installed, plugins required install. So the next thing is to import the demo content. This is very important for beginners actually, so that you don't start from a clean slate. You already have pictures, tags, and all you need to do is just to edit them. So let me preview that particular demo, and this is what I have. So that is exactly as the one that is on the demo page as well. So I'm just going to go ahead, just import this demo. Now I can choose between these two builders, the WP Bakery and the Elementor, but I can guarantee you the Elementor is the simplest of all the builders out there on WordPress. So yeah, we import using Elementor, so we can be able to edit this theme using Elementor. As you can see, when I refresh, I still am not able to see the demo content. Why? Because the front page is not set to the imported page actually. So now I need to just fix that into a static page and then choose photography as the home page. Now that the home page is set up and updated, when I reload this, you can see that what I have is a Novo demo. Of course, the pictures do not come with the import because they are licensed images. So now but we have exactly as a demo website